My confessional. I am a villain. I'm actually a villain. I am a villain. Ooh! And then look, when I take it all off, I'm not a villain anymore. No, being a superhero is really hard. See that villain over there? Crazy. Hey. Hey. Hey, hear me. Okay, this is a confessional, just like real world. Okay. Check that out. Look at my gun. Did you know that if you farted non-stop for 6 years and 9 months, you would have conjured up enough gas to make an atomic bomb? Just saying. Y'all learned something new. Check that out. War stuff. It's what you see in the wars. Okay? It's how much nuclear power it has. Every day. Every day. Every day. Every day. Come here, villain. I need you. Come here. Come here, villain.
I'm a big car, catch you in the fast lane. Oh, I got it. I can't keep up with her pace. Kicking into gear when I see that face. You can take up all my time, cause you're the only one that can make a storm cloud break. Pulling up the sun, I can't get caught in the rain. Can I get your lips to speak? Whoa, I feel like it don't make sense, cause you're bringing me in and now you're kicking them off. Don't you think you can be a loyal? You love me now, the things I do when I'm with my friends. And now with you, you're always second guess, wonder if there's other guys I'm flirting with. You should know by now, if you were my boyfriend, I'd be true to you. If I make a promise, I'm coming to do. For those who don't know me, I can get a bit crazy. Have to get my way up 24 hours a day, cause I'm hot like every guy everywhere just gives me mad attention. Like I'm under inspection, I always